Ties wrinkled right before an interview happens to the best of us. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly unwrinkle your tie before that job interview. Let's get right into it. Tip number one, we're going to use gravity on our side. Your tie is wrinkled. What we want to do is start at the one end and we're going to roll it all the way down. You'll be left with something like this. And when we roll, we want to roll tight. And then set this aside and you can finish getting ready. And this method should help smooth out some of those wrinkles if they were already appearing. Before you leave for the interview, simply just unroll it and tie your knot. And if anything, it at least improved the look from before. And the second tip here is to go find a hanger. We're going to kill two birds with one stone. If you have to jump into the shower, jump in the shower. You're going to also hang your tie on the shower or curtain rod. And if you're one to open the door, let steam escape or turn on the fan, guess what? We're not doing it here. We want that steam to build up because that steam will get into the fabric of the tie and help get those wrinkles out of there. Once you get out of the shower, you can also assist getting those wrinkles out by taking both hands and going down the tie just like this. You're going to pull on it, but you're going to stretch out that fabric. And there we go. Those two quick fixes work in a pinch. And the best part, it doesn't damage the fabric of the tie. Go try those out.